Hello, my friend. This is your boy, Colson Heavens. You gotta get your brain food, baby. All right, in this video, how do I start an affiliate marketing business? Okay, here are the simple steps. I'm gonna give you 4. Okay, I'm gonna be looking down here on my notes just to make sure I go over everything for you guys. In this video, if you guys did not catch the last videos, I talk about the benefits of affiliate marketing, and this is just the steps on how to launch it. Okay, the main thing is most people do not take this seriously like a business. They take it kind of more like a hobby because it costs so little to get started. Okay, you're in the hundreds of dollars here. Now, most businesses, okay, if you were to take out a loan, a small loan of $1 million to run a McDonald's franchise, you would run it like a business, wouldn't you? Okay? The reason most people do not get affiliate marketing results like a business gets results is because they don't think of it like an actual business, okay? They think of it like a hobby, or that would be nice. You know, it'd be nice if I made an extra $10,000 a month on accident. Look, you don't make $10,000 a month by accident, okay? Or a lot more people would be making that type of money. Doesn't that make sense? Are you with me on that, my friend? Okay, so here are the 4 things, okay? The first thing is we're gonna have to do a little bit of research, okay? We're gonna have to look up some things. So first thing we're gonna need to look up is different affiliate offers. We're gonna need to, get in touch with, there's like ClickBank, Legendary Marketer, ClickFunnels, you got a Bounty, you got Ty Lopez, you got Grant Cardone, you got, I don't know if Gary Vaynerchuk has an affiliate program, but even Walmart, Amazon, these are companies that will pay you commissions to team up with them, okay? So we need to do research to find out which company, which product that we like that goes hand in hand with what we like to do and talk about so we can sell and promote them online, okay? That's the first step. Make sure we research into those things. The second one is we're gonna need a website, okay? We're gonna need a platform. So we need to choose whether or not we wanna do it on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, and pick one. Pick one at first, okay? We wanna pick one, master it, and then branch off from that one, okay? And then get into the other ones, because there's so much to learn, especially if we're started, especially if you're brand new. If you haven't earned a commission, you haven't generated a lead, or even if you generated a lead or a commission and you're just looking for more consistent results, there's more learning that needs to be done. There's more education that needs to happen. I got great education from the best of the best, and that's why I've been able to earn thousands of dollars, even with 200 subscribers. I'm in the tens of thousands, 10,000s, okay? All right? Not saying you will, disclaimer, not saying you will because I don't know your actions or what you do or how you do it, okay? That's what I've been able to do, okay? And that's why I'm building this video, because I want you to know how real this is, okay? You don't gotta go to that place you don't like with people you don't care about to do the shit that you hate, okay? You don't gotta do no more. You could go to sleep with a smile on your face and wake up energized and ready to take on the day with purpose, okay? That's what this can do for you. That's what I feel like it does for me, okay? The second thing is you're gonna need traffic and visitors to your affiliate offers, okay? No traffic, no eyeballs, no money. Money goes where the eyeballs go, okay? Money goes where the attention flows. There you go. Money goes where the attention flows. But what? Bars, B, bars, white bars, B. Okay? So in order to get traffic to our website and everything, we're gonna need to do some keyword research, optimize our YouTube posts, and then just start posting, making videos. The more videos you make, the better chances you got, okay? So we need to get traffic to the website that we have for the affiliate offer we just researched for, okay? See how these kind of stack on top of each other, stack on top of one another, girl wanna be another, okay? Here's the next thing, okay? Monitoring your business. So after we get all this done, we're gonna have to go into the back scenes of your business. Look at the clicks, look at the clicks, look at the opt-ins, look at the landing pages, look at the sales funnel, and just kind of optimize everything and monitor it and maintenance it. Because just like anything else in life, You got to do maintenance. It's like your biceps, your BB guns. If you're not doing those workouts, okay, I haven't been doing them as consistent as I should, but that's going to be the same thing with your business. There's always going to be maintenance. There's always going to be something that you got to fix or tweak, okay? It's just going to be so much easier. You're going to be making way more money. I can't guarantee you're going to be making more money. The possibility of you making way more money is much, much, much higher than if you're at work, because you get paid. There's only 168 hours in a week, okay? Only 24 in a day. So you can only you can only get paid for that much. If you can't work 26 hours in a day. You just can't. There's not enough day. So if you're getting paid an hour, you got a cap. With affiliate marketing, you no longer have a cap. Okay? These are the 4 things you need in order to launch your business, okay? Just like fishing, okay? Think of it like this. We're going on a fishing trip, okay? What do I need to take on a fishing trip, okay? I'm going to need a pole, I'm going to need a line, I'm going to need bait, I'm going to need a lake, okay? And I'm going to need fish in the lake, okay? Your tackle box is all your affiliate links, your offers, okay? Your fishing pole is your sales funnel, okay? How you create leads, generate leads. Your bait is the free marketing thing that you give people. The free PDF, the free books, the business 15-day business challenge like I do. That's the bait. That's what gets people in. That's what gets the fish to bite, okay? I'm not saying that, okay? That's just the analogy we're using here. Go with me. Come on. Come with me here on this one, okay? Then you need a lake. You need to go where the fish are. So YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, okay? Now, most of us don't have this tackle box, don't have the poles. We don't have all of the stuff that we need. And some of your affiliate offers will give you that. I have all of it for you if you take action and implement. If you're ready to get started with that, go to coltonhavens.com/welcome and get started with your 15-day business blueprint challenge. After the 15-day steps, you are going to have a complete blueprint that you can launch, and you can start casting that pole out there and start bringing in some fish. Just like in fishing, it's going to take patience and multiple reps, multiple casts out there. Reps, when I talk about reps, I talk about making a video. Each video is a rep followed by an email. That's a full rep online, okay? And you need hundreds, okay? We need to talk in the hundreds of videos, okay? You can still make videos. You can still make money from doing a video here and there, but we want life-changing money, so we got to take bigger action goals. Most people have big dreams followed by little actions. I'd rather have your small dreams followed up by massive action, okay? We need to do massive amounts of reps, okay? I got free books down here for you, teach you how to earn more money online. I also got more brain food video contents. If you like this, subscribe, because I am going to be bringing you more. Hit the subscribe button, and I'm gonna see you later, my friend. Pick up a book, because just like you gotta bathe and just like you gotta eat, you gotta get your brain food every day. I love y'all. Peace. What problems are you having in your business? Drop a comment below. I'll make a video specifically for that problem to help you earn more money. I love y'all.